Hi, here are the steps to a split stance Pallof press with a torso twist. This is a great balancing exercise as well as core and back stabilizing exercise. You're going to come to a cable machine and get a handlebar attachment and bring it to your belly button midline. You're going to pull the weight, arm furthest away at the bottom, arm closest on the top, into your belly button midline, get into a split stance, foot furthest away in front of you, knee over the ankle, and the back leg is straight. Both feet are planted into the floor. You're gonna lock your shoulders down, feeling that tightening underneath the armpit, shoulder blade against the chest wall. And then you're gonna take a big inhale here, and then exhale, pressing out and twisting over to the side as far as you can, coming back, inhaling back in. So it's gonna wanna pull you this way, but the point is to make those anti-rotation muscles stabilize and really focus on the core and hip stability as well as ankle stability to keep you in place. Inhaling, exhale, press out and twist. And that is the split stance Pallof press with the torso twist. Let me know what you think.